Welcome to the DJI tutorial series. This video will show you how to install and deploy the DJI O4 Ground Station. Before installation, prepare the following tools and materials to ensure a smooth installation. Before installation, ensure site evaluation and DJI Dock 3 deployment are complete. In gateway mode, the deployment site must have Ethernet or 4G coverage with the PoE cable extended to the site. Before installation, use a USB PD 3.0 charger to charge the device to wake the backup battery. The power indicator lighting up means it's awake. Use a USB-C to USB-C cable to connect DJI O4 Ground Station to your phone. Open the DJI Enterprise app, follow the prompts to activate the product, and restart the device. Before deployment, select the operating mode for DJI O4 Ground Station based on your scenario. The device supports gateway mode and relay mode. Gateway mode is ideal for deploying the device anywhere with poor transmission quality or frequent disconnections between the Dock 3 and aircraft. Relay mode requires no network connection. Acting as a ground communication relay, it overcomes signal obstructions in short-range flight scenarios. Before installing in relay mode, you can use DJI Pilot 2's Relay Site Evaluation feature with a Matrice 4D or Matrice 4TD aircraft to test transmission quality and satellite positioning signals at the site. In gateway mode, enable Signal Map to view weak signal coverage areas. Select an area with poor signals and record the deployment location. Confirm if the deployment site has Ethernet access. A network bandwidth of at least 100 megabits per second is recommended. If Ethernet is unavailable, prepare a DJI Cellular Dongle 2 for cloud platform access. In DJI Flight Hub 2, find the device binding code and screenshot it on your phone. Ensure your PoE switch or router meets your power requirements. We recommend a PoE power supply over 90 watt. Once done, head to the deployment site. Place DJI O4 Ground Station at the planned site. Use a USB-C to USB-C cable to connect the station and your phone. Power on DJI O4 Ground Station and wait for it to start up. Open the DJI Enterprise app, select DJI O4 Ground Station, and tap Deploy to enter the check page. Select Gateway Mode. Tap the right arrow to check the station's satellite search status, ensuring the signal quality meets your needs. Once the installation environment is confirmed, you can proceed with mounting. First, ensure the installation site is level. When mounting the station, make sure the horizontal offset is under 3 degrees. Use the drilling template to drill holes at the site and install the expansion bolts. Mount the device onto the bolts and tighten the lock nuts. Secure the ground wire to the prepared earth electrode. If the selected area lacks a suitable level surface, you can design a mounting bracket to mount DJI O4 Ground Station on a pole or wall. Refer to DJI O4 Ground Station base dimensions in the manual to design an appropriate bracket. Keep grounding and wiring needs in mind, ensuring the PoE power and ground connect properly. Mount the device onto the bracket and ensure the ground wire is secured. Secure the bracket in a suitable area. We recommend using a safety wire. Route the reserve Cat 6 waterproof outdoor cable to the device. Based on the cable's outer diameter, cut the corrugated tubing plug appropriately. Slide the corrugated tubing and plug onto the cable in order. Disassemble the cable plug into its shell and sleeve and loosen the tail nut. The ground station's cable plug cannot be mixed with those for DJI Dock 3 or DRTK3. The white plug is for the ground station. Thread the cable through. Crimp an RJ45 connector using the T568B standard, ensuring the PVC jacket is firmly pressed inside. Insert the RJ45 connector into the shell until you hear a click. First tighten the sleeve, then tighten the tail nut. When tightening, ensure the rubber ring in the tail nut sits inside the connector claws. Unscrew the waterproof cover on the wand port on the device's left side. Insert the cable plug until it clicks into place, ensuring it is secure. When using a PoE power supply, crimp the RJ45 connector using the T568B standard. Make sure the PoE output power meets your operational needs. Use a hex key to remove the PoE module's back cover and heat sink. Install the DJI cellular dongle 2 into the port and secure it in the compartment. Reinstall the heat sink and back cover and tighten the screws. This completes the installation. Check that the power supply is on. The PoE connection indicator should now be blue. Use a USB-C to USB-C cable to connect the station and your phone. Re-enter the DJI Enterprise app, repeat the check steps, and follow the app's post-installation requirements to inspect the mounting, grounding, cabling, tilt angle, and power supply. After connecting the cable, go to the network test page to run a test. Normal items will show a green pass icon. If anomalies are detected, a red anomaly icon will appear. Using the information from DJI Flight Hub 2, enter the organization ID and device binding code to bind the device to the cloud. You can also scan the QR code to quick bind the organization. If using the cellular dongle 2 for connection, save the QR code to check data usage and recharge. Once installation is confirmed, tap the right arrow to enter location calibration. Wait for the DJI O4 Ground Station to converge, then tap Calibrate. You can use the app's custom network RTK to complete calibration. Once calibrated, tap the right arrow and Configuration Complete to finish deployment. Return to the device page, select the deployed DJI O4 Ground Station, and you can view the device's basic info and hardware status. Tap the toolbar button in the bottom right to restart the ground station, relink it, or redeploy it. Once confirmed normal, remove the USB-C to USB-C cable and close the waterproof rubber cover. The deployment is now complete. On the DJI Flight Hub 2 device management page, you can view the DJI O4 Ground Station status. After deployment, perform a virtual cockpit flight or route task to verify the signal relay function works. For relay mode deployment, refer to the DRTK3 relay station deployment workflow. Thanks for watching.